Meaning of exhausted.
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 Exhausted. Exhausted means being completely depleted of energy or resources. When a person is exhausted, they are physically and mentally exhausted, feeling drained, and unable to function at their normal level. Signs of exhaustion may include difficulty concentrating, irritability, mood swings, weight gain, and insomnia. In addition, exhaustion can lead to decreased productivity, social withdrawal, and a weakened immune system. It is important for individuals experiencing exhaustion to prioritize self-care, such as getting enough sleep, practicing stress-reducing activities, and seeking support from loved ones or professionals if necessary.